Does your business struggle to keep shelves fully stocked amid global supply chain interruptions and constantly fluctuating market conditions? The COVID-19 pandemic has fractured many global logistics and distribution networks, and businesses everywhere are finding it difficult to deliver their products to their customers. How can your business protect itself against product outages that can negatively impact customer satisfaction, sales, and public opinion about your company? One method is strategic sourcing in supply chain management. What is strategic sourcing? Strategic sourcing is the creation and implementation of processes that optimize every stage of the procurement lifecycle. When properly executed, strategic sourcing helps businesses save money, minimize risk, and ensure that they have raw materials and other commodities required to consistently deliver the products that their customers expect from them. But how exactly does strategic sourcing work? Many of today's businesses use a best practice approach similar to the global management consulting firm A.T. Kearney's 7-step strategic sourcing method to add value to their supply chain and safeguard it from the perils and uncertainties of the times. The first step of strategic sourcing is to identify the goods, materials, and components required to produce your finished products and their sourcing category. The second step is to perform an in-depth analysis of the supply market, including available suppliers, potential benefits and risks, as well as the costs associated with materials procurement, labor, and transportation. The next step in the strategic sourcing process is to develop your sourcing strategy. For this, you'll need to identify the most competent, cost-effective suppliers to help you meet your business goals, including their minimum requirements. You'll also need to identify alternative suppliers that can fulfill your business orders and get buy-in from key stakeholders. After that, businesses can draft detailed requests for proposal documents, send them to vendors, and solicit bids in order to create a shortlist of the most promising suppliers. These RFP documents can be leveraged in the next step of the process, which is to negotiate the best price with the new vendors. After negotiating the beneficial deal with your selected supplier, the next step is to implement the strategic sourcing plan. For this, you need to consider supplier delivery and service requirements, among other specifications, and integrate them into your existing strategic processes and practices without disrupting active tasks and projects. The final step of strategic sourcing is an ongoing one. You must set measurable goals and benchmarks and continually monitor progress towards those goals, including measuring supplier performance to ensure that the relationship remains a beneficial one. If the supplier is unable to keep up with demand, or if they are no longer financially viable, a new supplier must be found. Once you establish a dynamic strategic sourcing strategy, you'll be able to maintain a low total cost of ownership of the commodities offered, foster mutually beneficial supplier partnerships, and gain the supply chain transparency you need to ensure you can continue to provide the products that customers expect. Doing so can lead to a better customer experience and a direct increase in sales. Tech can help you learn about how to improve your supply chain by using industry-recognized best practices and evaluating and selecting the best fit SCM solution for your business needs. Contact us at advisoryservices@tec-centers.com. We are technology evaluation centers. The choice is clear.